Hello and welcome. My name is Seshu and I'm part of NetXperts team. And in this video, I'm going to show it to you in case if you enable the Telnet, what are the challenges? Many people they used to say, hey, don't enable the Telnet. It's very dangerous. If you are going to see my previous videos, I have shown to you how to enable the Telnet. But in this video, I'm going to show it to you in case if you are going to enable Telnet. Let's say you enable it, then what are the challenges? Let's go and have a look what I'm trying to show you. So as you know that this is my lab topology. So in my lab, we have a router one, which is connected to my physical PC. So which is configured as 10.10.10.11/24. And in my physical PC, I configure 10. So that's why from my physical PC, I can open the putty and I can do the telnet. Okay. So most of the people, they open the telnet because they want to access their device remotely. But many of the security experts, they used to say, hey, don't enable telnet. It's very dangerous, buddy. But I just want to show you why it's very dangerous. Let's go and have a look. So before we are going to see, I just want to open the Wireshark and I'm trying to capture the packets. What's happening? So it's behind the scenes, what's happening? Okay. So before we get into that, and you know that Telnet is belongs to a TCP, right? So TCP, how it's going to work? It works with a three-way handshake. Then after that, it's going to establish the connection. Then after that, whatever you are trying to do, whatever commands that you are trying to execute, guys, those commands, you can see it with the clear text. So that behind the scenes, if I'm trying to capture your session, I can see what you are trying to do. Oh, really? I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Let's go and watch. And if you see my previous videos, and I shown to you how to enable the telnet. And in this video, I am going to start first of all the capture. Then after that, you can see exactly what's happening. So you just right click here. See, whenever you move your mouse, you will not get that option, guys. So make sure that it should be in the red. Whenever it reaches to the red, then right click. Okay, see here. Then after that, click on start capture. Then after that is saying that, hey, link type is Ethernet link. That's correct. And file name. Okay, then you can see here R1 underscore Ethernet 002 cloud1 underscore Ethernet 0. That's what it's trying to show you. Say okay. Now you guys can see here. You guys can see here. Yeah, there is some communication is happening between my physical PC and between my router, right? There is something is happening. I don't want to care about all this. So just minimize this. Now, anyway, capture is started. So now what you can do now, you just open the telnet. Okay, so open the putty, then select other and type the IP address here 10.10.10.11. Then after that, say open. The moment when I open, it's prompting. So as a administrator, you are trying to do a telnet, you open the putty and you are trying to enter your username, seshu, and your password. Then after that, you are trying to run some commands. Then you are trying to see the configurations, everything. Then after that, you exit the session. Or else I just want to keep the session. And now you guys can see what's happening behind the scenes. Now everybody see here. I just want to make this guy down. And you guys can see where is my telnet session. Okay. So that's actually we need to identify it. So now I just want to see the TCP sessions. Is there anything TCP? Let's go and see it here. And is there anything related to telnet? Let's go and see it here. Okay. So now this is my telnet session, guys. You get my point? Just you can type telnet because I don't want to go deep dive because some people they may tell you, Sishu, what is this, man? We are not able to understand exactly. But here, this is the telnet protocol which is going to use TCP as a transport. So 3CP, what it will do, it does the three-way handshake. SYN, SYNAC, and acknowledge. After that, the connection is established. After connection established, behind the scenes, without your notice, somebody they are trying to capture what's happening, guys. Then you can see here, this is the data which is passing, correct? Now you right click here. Then you can see here, there is a follow. Then after that, click on the TCP stream. What's happening here? Oh, what is happening here, buddy? See here, he typed the username Seshu. Then after that, he typed the password capital P at the rate SSW0RD. Then after that, he typed show run. Oh my god, you guys can see here behind the scenes, this is the configuration of my router. And these are the commands that he tried to execute. Show IP interface brief. Oh my god. Then after that, he's trying to do exit, but he didn't do anything. You get my point, guys? So this is very, very dangerous. So that's why most of the people they are going to tell you, buddy, please don't enable the telnet, because if somebody trying to capture whatever you are trying to do behind the scenes without your notice, they can see what's the password you typed and they can see the configurations. You get my point? For example, let's say I'm going to stop now. I know that, and I'm going to stop my capturing as well. Just you can move here, right click, and make sure that when it comes to the red, guys, yeah, then click on the stop capturing. And you guys can see here, just I want to exit from here. Yeah, so just type exit, then close, say okay. And this is the biggest problem, guys. So many of the people, when they try to enable the telnet, and they are not sure that whether it's a secured or not, but behind the scenes there is a chances people they can capture, and they can able to see what are the commands that you are trying to type and what's the username and password that you type. It's easy for them, it's a clear text. That's why I always recommend that don't use the tab. Then what's the alternative? The alternative is, which is SSH, secure shell. So the beauty of that, it's completely encrypted. Even if you are going to capture that, then you are not able to see what's the password, what's the username that you enter. So Seshu, is there any chance that you're able to show it to us? Definitely, guys, you please comment on my videos. Then definitely I'm going to show it to you. So this is my the complete, the, how you are going to enable the telnet, what is the drawback of the telnet. So I personally recommend that don't use the telnet. That's it. Okay, so please give me your comments, and I hope this has been informative, and I would like to thank you for viewing.